I've got the second Alkem chain link fence installed at the Northeast Distribution and Cold Storage Facility. It's not weathered, I just painted it gray primer. And on this one I have just one large gate. It just happens to work given the space I have. So I'll put a stop here, and I don't need a stop on the inside because it actually stops against this inner fence piece. So I'll just put a little stop here. We'll clean up the mess, fix the ballast a bit, give it some rust, some signs, and we've got another industry fenced in. Next up, fixing the mess here by the corn syrup transfer facility, but that'll be all fenced in. And then you saw this in a prior video, the engine facility, as well as the printing facility. And then last we'll be completing the Alkem fence around Bombachi Foods. Have a good weekend. Cheers.